Okay, guys, the market did a big tank today. All the big companies, the Max 7 is completely bearish. All the Delta bearish. So we continue in this short. Let's see how long it can go. Okay, remember, guys, I do this just for illustration purposes only. Okay, so this is just for let you know how the program works. Okay, so this adds to the position. Okay, and that way you can scale in. Okay, so that way you can add and make more profit. If you're scared of minis, okay, you can go with micros. Okay, so you can go with micros is $1.25 a tick, and the minis is $12.50 a tick. Okay, with the Nasdaq it's 0.50 cents a tick, and with the mini is $5 a tick. Okay, so you can do the sum there. And for passing combines, okay, so whatever combine you want to pass, it works best with the ones that don't have the trailing stop intraday. Okay, so with the ones that have end of day intraday is better, because you can the if market pulls back like here. Okay, so we started here, then market pulled back, we entered here, then we entered here, then market pulled back again, and we entered here again. So as you can see, we are adding all the way. So even though market is in a pullback, we can still make enter trades. So there is no problem with that. Everything is configurable. You can enable, disable the scaling. Okay, so from the chart trader, you can enable, disable the scaling, so that way you will stop it will stop scaling in, and you can re-enable it once you feel comfortable to keep adding to the position. Okay, so it really works with the imbalance. You can have whatever imbalance brand that you use. Okay, at least you need to be sure that it has plots, so you can copy, because the plot needs to be copied, so we need to have that information, and we can add to the position all the way. So okay, no matter if the price is going down or the price is going up, you can scale in no matter how. Okay, so you have a predefined profit and target, and you can make your trades. Okay, like I said before, it's something that you have to be in your computer. You need to be aware that price can reverse. As you can see here, price can reverse. Okay, so it's nothing like it's written in stone. It's not perfect, but you know how markets are. Nothing is 100%. Okay, so Okay, guys, you can see it at I have enabled to add multiple positions to the bar when aggressive mode. Okay, so you can see here we have two shorts, over here two shorts, so it's up 8,000. Okay, this should be done, guys, in a big account. Okay, in a big prop firm account that has enough drawdown, else you will lose the account. Or you go with micros. Right now with micro you should have been around let's say $800 in profit. Okay, so do the math. Okay, guys, this is a game changer. This, if you don't get this program, you will be left out. I'm gonna be stop selling it in a couple of days. So that's it, guys. Judge for yourself if this is something that you need to have in your toolbox, or I don't know what you're thinking if you don't get it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.